Okay, here we have a 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible. It's got the 318 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and this is one of 2,921 built. It has the numbers matching A833 manual transmission and numbers matching 318 cubic inch V8 engine. Okay, next up we have a 1970 Pontiac GTO, the Judge Hardtop. This has got a 400 cubic inch L74 Ram Air engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. The color is called Granada Gold, and this one's going for $85,500. Okay, here's a 1952 Ford F3 pickup going for $29,000. It's got the 215 cubic inch straight 6 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's a 1968 Ford F100 long bed flare side pickup. It's got the 300 cubic inch straight 6-cylinder engine underneath the hood and a 5-speed manual transmission. And this one's going for $39,500. Okay, here's a real nice 1968 Ford Bronco. It's got a 351 V8 Windsor engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one is going for $89,000. It's got some nice tires and wheels on it. Okay, I filmed this one before a couple months ago, and it's still here. I can't believe it's still here. It's a 1969 Ford Ranchero 500 Rio Grande, going for $31,900. It's got the 351 Windsor V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1958 Ford F100 Fleet Side pickup going for $19,000. It's got a 327 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, next up we have a 1976 Datsun 620 pickup. Underneath the hood, it's got a 119 cubic inch straight 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. And this one's going for $19,500. Okay, next up we have a 1964 Chevy Corvette convertible going for $88,000. It's got a 327 cubic inch L75 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. And it's got 58,938 actual miles on it. Okay, here's a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible going for $54,900. It's got the 350 cubic inch Rocket V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here we have a 2001 Chrysler Prowler Mulholland Edition. This one's going for $31,900. And it's got the 3.5 liter V6 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed automatic transmission. And it comes with its own trailer. It's got a nice storage container in the back too. Because that's one thing that these cars lack is storage. So it's nice to have that. Okay, here we have a 1970 GTO going for $52,900. It has a 400 V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's a 1968 Chevy Malibu Chevelle hardtop. Underneath the hood, it's got the 454 V8 engine, and that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. This one's going for $44,900. Okay, here's a 1963 Chevy Nova SS Tribute, going for $34,500. It's got the 350 V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1961 Ford Thunderbird convertible, going for $34,000 even. It's got the 390 V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1957 Chrysler Imperial Crown 4-door hardtop. And this one's going for $40,000. It's got a 392 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It is a nice car. It's in great condition. Okay, here's a 2008 Chevy Corvette 2LT Coupe. And this is going for $42,000. It's got the 6.2 liter LS3 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1972 Datsun 240ZX going for $33,900. It's got the 2.4 liter straight 6-cylinder engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, next up is a 1966 Pontiac GTO convertible going for $44,900. It's got the 389 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1965 Pontiac GTO, and this one's going for $59,000 even. It's got the 455 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's a 1953 Buick Special Deluxe 2-door sedan, going for $34,500. It's got the 263 cubic inch Fireball inline 8-cylinder engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Okay, this is a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner hardtop, going for $69,000 even, and it's got the 383 V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is a time capsule. Looks like it's got the original paint on it.